Hey folks, on today's video we're making the Aperol Spritz, but we're making a whole bowl of it. Let's get behind the stick. The Aperol Spritz actually dates back towards the end of the 19th century in Venice. The locals there would actually go to taverns and drink wine, but they would dilute it with water in order to make it closer to beer. Sounds familiar? Spritz. So the area of Veneto is actually known for Spritz Al Bitter. Spritz Al Bitter can actually be made with many different bitter liqueurs, including Campari, Gran Classico, Cynar, and Aperol. But today we're not just gonna make one. We're gonna use the whole bottle. Let's make it, shall we? To make this, we're gonna need a large bowl or a pitcher. I'm using a punch bowl. In this, you can probably fit double the amount of this recipe. To start off, add a good amount of ice. I got some large clear ice I made at home. Before you buy a sparkling wine, a quick note on that. So I'm actually using a method traditional style of wine, which means is made in the champagne method, even though it's not champagne. It is a sparkling wine that is fermented a second time in the bottle. They're usually pretty dry. I personally like them in my Aperol Spritz. However, use whatever sparkling wine you want. And now back to your scheduled program. Pour one 750 milliliter bottle of bubbles. Now for the bitter, pour one 750 milliliter bottle of Aperol. I have a soda maker at home, but you can simply buy a bottle of seltzer and pour the same amount, one 750 milliliter bottle. Some people actually prefer less amount of soda and more sparkling wine. It's up to you. I like to keep things very simple. Once we got all those ingredients, I'm just gonna add a bunch more ice and then give it a quick stir. All you want here is to mix the ingredients just a little bit. Now for the garnish, obviously some oranges. I'm cutting both wheels and slices. I like to have wheels for the presentation of the bowl, plus throw a few slices. I also store some extra slices in order to refresh the garnishes in the bowl, or so people can garnish their drink once they serve themselves. Once you got everything, just place a ladle and that's it. Make sure to immediately serve yourself. Garnish your drink and enjoy a whole bowl of Aperol Spritz. Perfect for your summer gatherings. Cheers! I want an orange. Yeah, that's a good Aperol Spritz. This is still nice and fizzy. Some people like 3 parts sparkling wine, 2 parts Aperol with just a little bit of club soda. I think equal parts of all 3 ingredients works great and you still get enough Aperol. This is just such a simple way of making drinks for so many people, whether it's an event or whether you're hosting a lot of friends at home. A lot of times when we host people, we're just so busy at the kitchen making drinks or fruit for people. The point of hosting, after all, is that you want to spend time with your friends or loved ones. That's gonna be it for me. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Let me know if you want some more badge cocktails, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers!